Hi, this is Christine McCoy with the Real McCoy Group of Coldwell Banker. I am standing here at the beautiful James Farm Park where we are enjoying nature, socially distancing from each other, but wanted to share some great information about first-time home buyers. So June is our Real McCoy Group's focus on first-time home buyers, and I'm standing here with two expert lenders from Fairway Mortgage, Casey and Lori, and they are going to help us through the process so that you know the steps you need to take. Lori is going to go through first how you get pre-approved and why that's so important and how long does it take.
So Christine, you were asking how long it takes, and really a phone call of about 10 to 15 minutes is all it should entail. We basically take down all your personal information, we pull credit, we're going to ask you for some additional documentation, and then we're going to find out like what your budget is and how much you're actually comfortable spending, because a lot of times you're more comfortable with a lesser amount than what you'll be pre-approved for. So we just want to make sure that we have a program that fits you and your budget. And then the reason why it's so important right now is we're in a super competitive market. I mean, a lot of my clients that are applying for mortgages and writing contracts, there's multiple offers going in, and you want to make sure that you're pre-approved with a local lender that all the agents are familiar with, and that the real estate agents understand that you have taken the steps to have your credit pulled, have your income checked, and have your assets checked, and made sure you're pre-approved for the product.
Well, thanks, Lori. That really helps understand the time frame and why it's so important. We do have a very competitive market right now, but we have some great homes coming on the market as well. So the next step really is figuring out what loan is right for you. And I have so many renters that think they're not going to qualify for a mortgage, whether it's their credit, they don't have enough cash for down payment. So Casey is now going to explain to us some of the programs that are available to our first-time home buyers and kind of go through why it's important that they understand your situation.
That's a great point. So first-time home buyers, a lot of times, like you said, they think that they can't afford a mortgage for whatever reason. There's a lot of programs out there meant to help those individuals specifically, like the USDA program. So basically all of Sussex County qualifies for the USDA program property-wise, and as far as a borrower, you would be able to borrow 100% of the sales price, which means no down payment. That's great news for a first-time home buyer. Another program that can help is the FHA program, which allows for a low down payment and is a little bit more forgiving on the borrower's DTI. What DTI, debt to income, means is how much money you're expending versus how much money you're bringing in. So that can get a little tight for a first-time home buyer. FHA is a little bit more forgiving on that, so you may qualify for that program. The best part is the Delaware State Housing Program. That allows our first-time home buyers to access the best rates in the state. And you have to have a local lender to do that, right? So we can help you definitely qualify for a mortgage as a first-time home buyer with a lot of different ways.
So I hope this helps all of our first-time home buyers, and actually some of these loan programs like USDA and VA loan, for example, would qualify people for a low down payment even if you're not a first-time home buyer. But really what Casey touched on was a very important fact. You really need a local lender. DSHA, for example, does not approve every lender for their program. So having a local lender who's familiar with that program is very important. So I want to thank Lori and Casey today. They have been fantastic, and I hope this really helps. Please give us a call if you need any further information. We would love to help you start building equity and stop renting.